Alright, so based on my recollection of the other unit I had looked at a year ago, I would say that these have a larger front yard space. The NHT has 187 brand new housing solutions available come Wednesday, May 25th, 2022 at 8 a.m. and that runs through to Friday, May 27th at 8 p.m. Those application processes will be open for 47 units at Catherine Estates, and that's where we're headed today to check out the one bedroom single detached units and the studio duplex units that are available there. They have 28 one bedroom units available and 19 studio duplex units. Thank you guys again so much for 15,000 subscribers. If you're a part of that 15,000 subscriber count, please comment down below hashtag 15k. But enough of the chattings, man, no one ready for the video. When you ready? Run me intro. Alright, so this is where the new phase starts. As you can see, there are a lot of cars right here. Persons are up the top. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Looking at the model unit, but I just stop right here to take note of these mango trees. So if you're getting a unit in the 1130 to 20 price point, you will have mango trees to the right of you. So yes, as I was saying, you have some mango trees to the right of you, the right of the houses, and hopefully they don't cut these down. And then there's a pretty nice land space right here as well. Hopefully it can be converted into some form of recreational area for this particular housing development. But let me get off this side, because as you can see, big machinery is operating over here. I wouldn't want to hear some moments by Boothe get lit down by a tractor. But yeah, let's jump into it and go down that side and check out what the model units have to offer, if they're offering anything different than the ones that I looked at 1 year ago. So Akeem, out. Alright, so based on my recollection of the other unit I had looked at a year ago, I would say that these have a larger front yard space. Hello. Yeah, so I would say that these have a lot more front yard space, but that's to be confirmed. When I look at the model unit that they have down this side that we're heading, then I can determine if that is actually fact or just a figment of my imagination. But thus far, I like how these looking. And then this is what, if you get one on this side, these are 1126, 1125. If you get one on this side, this is what you'll be looking at. There's actually like a little field over by that side there. So if you guys do get to come out tomorrow, they have a registration room that's right here, and after you register, you just write simply your name, your cell phone number, and your email address. They have the show units right here. The one bedroom single detached is right here, and then behind it down that side is the duplex studio unit. All right, so this is the brand new one bedroom single detached. This is what it looks like from the outside. The property lines are not fully marked out as yet, but it's halfway in between there. And this is a corner lot unit. So of course, as you guys know, these one bedroom units range from 7 million to 7.95, and this particular unit, I would believe, don't quote me on this, I'm just guesstimating, but this particular unit I would believe would be going for the 7.95 or somewhere there or thereabout, because this does look like a large unit. And then as it pertains to the backyard, I was told that you can, it's not outlined around here, but it's basically halfway between this studio duplex that they're using as the model unit that's over here. So maybe like about here to here. So you can see say the land space is still a really nice large land space. So let's do the full walk around of this. So this is what it looks like all the way around, and then this would virtually be center, so you can see what it looks like split in half. And of course, just like before, you can build to the side of the house, so you can extend out to the side and you can extend to the back. You can't change the front of the structure, so what it is at present is what it will have to stay like, but you can build to the side and to the back, and whatever you build onto the back you can build on top of, but you can't build on top of this existing structure. So virtually this existing structure, when you add on to the back and build on the top of this, will end up being your balcony. It is very crowded inside here right now. There are a lot of persons here, as you can see, and this is just the people that are on the outside. A lot more persons are inside, but we'll try to go inside and get a look so you guys can see what's going on the inside. All right, and big up to all the momenters that I met out here today. Yes, big up on yourself. But yeah, so we're going to try to head on the inside and so we'll go on inside. All right, Sakim out. So this is the unit. It has two windows on the outside. There's a covering for your door, so when rain falls, the water doesn't beat down on it. These are my friends from the NHT. So this is the open concept living and dining area, and then it flows right into the kitchen. And of course you see where you can fit a stove. There's a sink, countertop, nice. You have the window to look on the outside while you're doing your dishes, and your refrigerator holds right there. You have a dining room table as well. Bam, 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 bam. Check out the bathroom. Have a nice shower right here. Have a window, look on the outside. Toilet paper holder. Quaint vanity mirror. This is the bedroom. Have your closet. So this is the closet area. Can fit a night table right there. Have a nice mirror right there. Looks like a queen bed that's inside. So virtually the same as the one from before. Kind of feels like the bedroom is a little bit bigger, but don't quote me on that, because that's just my feeling. So this is the window I was showing you from the outside. So this is what the land space looks like from inside. Oh, yeah. And then this is my new YouTuber friend I just met.
Hello.
Subscribe to her channel.
Yes, go and subscribe to Naturally Told by Mara. Definitely looking out to see you guys.
And she does property tours as well, so check her out. Alright, so these are the duplex studio units. They have 19 of these available on Wednesday coming. See what the land space looks like on this side. Of course, it's not outlined as yet, so I still don't know exactly what it is that you'll be getting. I figure more or less you'll be sharing this little patch right here in two, and then between here and what's next door here, you'll be splitting as well. This looks like just about half, so let me back up so you guys can see what half looks like. Decent, and again, it's a corner lot, so of course these start at 6 million and go up to 6.58, I think. So this probably will be on the higher range. And just like the one bedroom, you can't build to the front will always have to remain the same, but you can add on to the back and to the left side if you get the left unit, or to the right side if you get the right unit. And then when you add on to the back as well, you can build on top of that. So this section here, right here, will essentially become your balcony if you want it to be, depending on how you design the place. Get a good architect, people, I always recommend, so you can do your thing right from the jump and you won't have any problems after the fact. And whilst you're watching this video, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. So we're about to try to get on the inside now and check out this duplex studio unit. Alright, so we finally have the place to ourselves, well, virtually. Big up Shade, letting me in with nobody else inside. So as you can see, it's a studio, so everything is virtually in one. The nice thing is it has 3 windows, so it will let in a lot of natural sunlight. And then you have another one right here that's in the kitchenette area. Very nice. Refrigerator goes there, stove goes here. Have your sink right there, and then your bathroom is here. Lighting fixture. Nice mirror on the door. You can see yourself. Has a shower. Range of shower head. That's a big plus. Nice window right there. Mirror. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and that's basically it. 6 million people. Starting price. And this is what the backyard looks like. And then I was told that halfway between this one and this one, so the property line would, for the yard space, would be somewhere around here. So let me just back out so you guys can see. So if you don't get to make it out tomorrow, Saturday, the 21st, to look at this, look at these units, then you can always rely on my video and always rely on Moments by Boothe to be where the NHT action is. Try to stay on top of my NHT stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more NHT content. I have a lot more in store, a lot more coming for you guys, and for all the NHT details, the stuff that I put out, because I put out this information before the NHT even broadcast it on their social media. It was actually on their website. Big up to Kevin Harris. He's the one who sent me the information from the NHT's website and enabled me to know about this. Made some calls, got the information, put it together in a video for you and put it out there, and you guys are absolutely loving it. I thank you guys so much for the support, and don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that's what I'm out here trying to do. And all you have to do to support me is to like this video and hit that subscribe button and turn your post notification bell on. But enough of the chattings. AB signing out.